Today I'm going to show you how to replace Hyundai Elantra floor mats from the stock ones to these rugged rubber ones. First thing you want to do, locate where the floor mat is hooked onto those clips and pull them off. There should be 2 on each side. These clips prevent the floor mat from getting stuck underneath the pedals. Take it out, toss it to the side, and let's repeat on all 4. Move some things out of the way. There's only 1 clip on the passenger side. Take a utility knife and we're going to remove these rubber tabs. Take your floor mat. Move it into its general position. So once you have the floor mat in its original position, you want to slide the hooks on and into place. Give a nice little tug. Push it down into place. Now we got to repeat that on all 4 sides. Passenger floor mat. And perform the same exact thing as you did on the driver's side. Find the hook. Where is it? There it is. Slide into place. Give a nice little tug. And then, remove some extra things out of the way. Back is a little bit easier because there's no hooks. So find which one's the right shape, toss it in. And you are done. Look at that, beautiful. Now I know this was a short video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.